Hi friends, today I am going to share Dhelonugith recipe. So let's start. First of all, I am using one medium sized breadfruit. Cut it into pieces like this. Now add 2 cup water, cover it and cook it until water is finished. Now I am using 1 onion, 3 garlic, some curry leaves and green chili according to taste. Add salt, mix it well. Add smoked fish. Mix it well. Now I am taking 2 tablespoons Hahar. Mix it well like this. One cup grated coconut. Mix it very well. Now 1 teaspoon cumin. Add it. Mix it. This is almost ready. The last step is adding breadfruit. Add boiled breadfruit and mix it with a spoon. Serve it with roti or roshi. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye bye.